Hello, everyone. This is Jamaican Singer, Songwriter, Poet, Generalwriter, Sean C. Harrison from my parish of St. Thomas in the eastern end of the island. Today I would like to sing Whitney Houston's famous song, The Greatest Love of All for You. I hope that for every person who has been experiencing adversity and who knows what it means to struggle will tap into this rendition as I do it in my own way and style and be thoroughly lifted, blessed by the message it conveys. You know, I've always spoken about how medications I administer for paranoid schizophrenia compromise my singing voice, but today my voice has cleared. So I'm going to do this song with the hope that you all will be completely motivated to carry on when you see that the greatest love of all is learning to love yourself. I believe the children are our future. Teach them well and let them lead the way. Show them all the beauty they possess inside. You give them a sense of pride to make it easier. Let the children's laughter remind us how we used to be. Everybody's searching for a hero. People need someone to look up to. I've never found anyone who fulfill my needs. A lonely place to be. And so I learned to depend on me. I decided long ago never to walk in anyone's shadow. If I failed, if I'd succeed, at least I lived as I believe. No matter what they take from me, they can't take away my dignity, because the greatest love of all is happening to me. Yeah. I found the greatest love of all inside of me. The greatest love of all is easy to achieve. Hey, yeah. Learning to love yourself is the greatest love of all. I believe the children are our future. Teach them well and let them lead the way. Show them all the beauty they possess inside. Give them a sense of pride to make it easier. Let the children's laughter remind us how we used to be. The greatest love of all is easy to achieve. Yeah, yeah, yeah. You're learning to love yourself. It is the greatest love of all. And if by chance that special place that you've been dreaming of, oh yeah, leads you to a love a lonely place. Find your strength in love. Love, oh, love, oh, love. Thank you. Didn't go exactly as the original went, but it's a rendition anyway. Over and out.